Want to light up your career? Presidency London College is your perfect spark. Looking to kickstart your career as an electrician? Presidency London College is here to help. We offer top-notch electrical courses tailored just for you. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, we've got you covered with our Level 2 and Level 3 diplomas in electrical installation by City and Guilds. Already have some experience? Our Level 3 NVQ courses and electrotechnical experience worker qualification are ideal for you. Plus, we offer specialised courses like Level 3 inspection and testing, the 18th edition wiring regulations and PAT testing. Best part? Become a fully qualified electrician in just 1 year with our fast-track option. Pass the exam and earn your ECS Gold Card, your gateway to endless opportunities. So what are you waiting for? Fast-track your success with Presidency London College. Your future as a qualified electrician starts now. To enrol, contact us at 0203 6005 or visit our college at Harrow Road, London W104RA.